In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on in-app purchase on iPhone. And iPad is going to be the same. So all you need to do is just go and unlock your iPhone or iPad, then go and click on the settings. From here, you'd like to go and scroll down until you find screen time. Here's it, just go and click on that. Once you do so, if it's your first time using it, you can go and click on turn on screen time and set it up. If it's not your first time, once you click on it, you'll have to go from here and scroll down, then click on content and privacy restrictions. So they will ask you, probably sometimes they ask for a password or passcode. If you forgot the passcode, you may need to reset the screen time settings via the Apple ID. So as an example, if you have this disabled, you have nothing to worry about. It will be already turned on per default or enabled per default. If it's not, it's like enabled, or if it's enabled for you, it's not disabled, and you'll have to go and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. So from there, all you need to do, just go and in-app purchases and make sure it's allow. If it doesn't say it allow, all you need to do, just go and select it. Let's say, example, it's not allowed. So just go and click on it, click on allow, and you'll be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. The same, of course, will be for iPad.